am quite excited to share this week's Book of the Week with you. I hope you haven't seen it yet. Well, maybe you have. Maybe I hope you have. Okay. It is The Little Books of the Little Brontës, written by Sara O'Leary, illustrated by Briony May Smith. And yes, this tells the story of the Bronte children. Well, let me read you. I'm going to read you the book flap. Many years ago, the 4 motherless children of the Bronte family, Charlotte, Bronwell, Emily, and Anne, lived in a wind-swept house at the edge of the moors with their father. Hungry for stories, the Brontes devoured poetry and fables, history and novels, and with the gift of a set of toy soldiers, they were inspired to make tiny books and write stories of their own, a passion that would last them a lifetime. Now, this book is astoundingly beautiful, first of all. Look at this page. There's a lot going on in this page, but even the table, which is telling us a lot of the sadness, is happening in the illustration, right? The way that the table is empty on one side. It looks like a little book. In this book, the Bronte children make little books full of stories. Look at these end papers. Are you kidding me? They're so beautiful. And at the back of the book, there is even directions on how to make your own little book. Okay, so if you are a Bronte fan or not, you probably just want to get your hands on the little books of the Little Brontës.